In this video, I'm going to share 5 websites with you that pay $10 per day. $10 is not the fixed rate, the rate depends on your work. If you work more, you will earn more. These websites are 100% legit, that's why there is no risk of any scam. So let's start the video. It works with several companies that want to hear honest feedback from real users regarding what they think about their digital products. So you as a tester on usertesting.com will help companies in creating a better digital experience by telling them what you think would work best on their website or app, what could be better and why you feel so, and then you will be paid for it. The second website is also about testing and giving reviews, and its name is userfeel.com. Userfeel is a legit site that will pay you for testing the websites of their partners. It pays relatively well for the work. For every test you complete and get verified, you will be paid $10. So it is decent pay. You have to make sure that you submit quality work in order to get paid. And in order to ensure your job gets approved, you have to perform the required task according to the test scenario. Now the third website is clickworker.com. People from all over the world can become part of the Clickworker community. You simply log in through the app or on your PC, complete micro jobs and quickly earn a little money on the side. Clickworker is a superb company to hold in thoughts every time you want a few extra earnings. There is a variety of available tasks. It's convenient for housewives and students and even freelancers. If you are well versed in English, then it's much easier for you to take up surveys. The fourth website is transcribeme.com. It is a transcription company that lets you work from home and is completely open to newcomers. And it is a good place to improve your skills on the job. The base pay rate of TranscribeMe is between $15 and $22 per audio hour. You will make $15 to $22 for each hour of audio that you transcribe. That means the more quickly and accurately you can transcribe, the more efficient you are, the more money you will make. The last website is contentgather.com. On this website, you can submit your pre-written content, set the price, and keep your fingers crossed that someone will pay for it. Note that you will have to start with this option. The second one will only unlock if you make your first sell. You can keep your eyes peeled for the so-called custom jobs that happens when a client stops by and orders content on a specific subject with a set of guidelines and demands. If you like the offer and think you are a good fit, you can apply for the gig. Once you get accepted, you can contact the client anytime with questions. Upon submitting your work, the client can either approve, reject it, or ask for revisions, just like with any other on-demand freelancing platform. All payments go through PayPal, which is the most popular and convenient online payment processor. It is currently available in most countries in the world. The cash out threshold is low at only $5. It means that you can get your earnings as soon as you sell 1 or 2 articles. So these are some of the legit and fair paying websites that you can use to earn at least $10 per day. I hope this video has helped you. See you in the next one.